Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to my channel Rivalicious. So today I'm gonna making chicken makhni handi. So without any further ado, let's begin to the video. For this I'm gonna taking 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon green chili paste, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons salt. You guys can add according to your taste. It's totally up to you. And then I'm gonna adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon whole spices powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now I am give it a good mix, give it a good whisk, and then I'm gonna adding 1 kg chicken into it, and then cover it and let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now after 30 to 40 minutes, I'm gonna adding some oil, and after a while, I'm gonna adding my marinated chicken. Then mix it properly and cover the lid, and then wait until your chicken is properly cooked. Now you guys can actually see my chicken is properly cooked, and then before I'm turning off the flame, we're gonna adding a fresh cream or tetra pack cream. Now mix it properly and turn off the flame. You don't need to cook too much, otherwise your cream will get watery consistency. Now for some presentation and final look, I'm gonna adding a cube of a butter and garnishing it with some coriander fresh leaves, and your makhni handi is ready. If you guys like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and never forget to press the bell icon so you guys never miss any upload from my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.